This is the video, How to Update Issues and Requests in the IT Help portal. In this video, you will learn how to update a technology issue or request you've previously reported. You can provide updates to issues or requests you've submitted through the IT Help portal or by contacting the Technology Support Center or your department's IT support team. Issues are technology problems and requests are for things you need. For example, if you were having problems printing, that would be recorded as an issue, whereas if you were asking for access to a particular system at the university, that would be tracked as a request. One way to update your issue or request is to reply to the original email sent to you when it was first reported. When an issue or request is submitted to an IT team, an email is sent to your inbox so you have a copy of it. Simply reply to this email, write your comment or question regarding your issue or request, and click Send. A second option is to update the issue or request in the IT Help portal. To start, open an internet browser and navigate to ithelp.illinoisstate.edu. This is the IT Help portal. Click the Login button near the right side of the screen. The Sign In pop-up window will appear. Enter your university login ID in the username field, then enter your password in the password field and click the Sign In button. On the right side of the screen, under the Track My Issues and Requests header, are links to view open and closed issues or requests. The leftmost number shows how many issues you currently have open. The middle number shows how many requests you currently have open, and the number on the right shows how many of your issues and requests have been closed. Note that you cannot update an issue or request once it has been closed. For this example, I want to update an issue I had previously reported about some printer problems I was having. So, I will click the My Open Issues link located under the leftmost number. If you have an open request to update, click the My Open Request link located under the middle number instead. The process for updating issues and requests are the same. There are two different ways to view all of your open issues. In the top right, these two icons can be used for each type of view. Currently, we are in the Results Grid view. This organizes the issues into rows and columns. Your open issues are organized into a list with the latest issue listed first. Click the middle icon on the upper right of the screen to see your issues in the Results List view. Your issues are organized into a list with the category, subcategory, and description listed below each issue. You can select either view to see your search results. For this example, we will use the Results Grid view, which is the icon furthest most on the right. Your open issues are now displayed in the Results Grid view. The first column, Type, indicates whether this is an issue or a request. The number of each issue is displayed under the ID column. The Customer Name column will list the name of the person experiencing the issue. If you submitted an issue on behalf of someone, this issue will not be included in your list. Instead, the issue will be in the list of the person on behalf of whom you have submitted the issue. The Status column lists the progress of the issue. An issue can have the status of New, Active, On Hold, Pending Details, Resolved or Workaround, Closed pending confirmation, or Closed. The Description column indicates the type of technology problem of your issue. And the SLA Resolved by Deadline column will list the target time and date that the issue will be resolved. To view one of the issues or requests in your list, double-click the appropriate record. For this example, I want to update the first issue, so I am going to double-click on the first row listed in the grid. The form detailing my issue regarding the printer near my office is opened. This is the form that was used to submit your original issue. If you reported your issue by contacting a member of the Technology Support Center or your department support team, this form will be completed by them on your behalf. For a detailed overview of this form, please watch the video, How to Submit Issues and Requests in the IT Help portal. Your name and phone number appear on the left side of the form. On the right side of the form, the fields labeled Short Description and Description/Additional Comments contain standard information about this issue. You may add additional information to either of these fields as needed. On the bottom left side of the screen, the Owning Team, which is the IT team that is currently working your issue, is listed. Below the Owning Team is the Due Date. The due date is the target date by which you can expect to have your issue resolved and is the same date in the SLA Resolved by Deadline column in the previous screen. The due date is determined by the date you submitted your issue and the priority your issue was assigned. The priority is listed under the due date. For information on how the priority was determined, click the explanation button to the left of the priority field. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to read notes under the Journals heading. If there are notes and updates to your issue written by an IT support team member, they will be displayed under this heading. If an IT support team member has a question about your issue, it may be displayed here. Once you make an update to your issue, it will appear under the Journal heading as well. You may have noticed that by default, you cannot make changes to this record. To provide an update to your issue or make any other changes, you have to click the Edit button in the upper left corner of the screen. This activates the link in the center of the screen labeled Click to request an update or provide more information. Click this link. A dialog box will appear and ask you to provide details regarding your issue. Enter the update you would like to include about your issue in the provided text field. This can be a comment with more information regarding your issue or a question you may have. For example, I am going to specify the printer I was having difficulties with, along with its location. Once you are finished with your update, click the OK button below the text field. A pop-up window will appear, confirming your comment along with the ID number that was previously assigned to this issue. Click the OK button in the bottom right side of the pop-up window. Your comment will be sent to the team working on your issue or request. Scroll to the bottom of the screen. Your update now appears under the Journals heading. You can also update your issue by adding an attachment. To add an attachment, click the paperclip icon at the top of the page. For example, if you have a screenshot or document that can provide further information regarding your issue, you can attach it here. Once you finish updating your issue, click the Save button on the upper right of the page. After clicking the Save button, a pop-up window will appear confirming your updated issue along with the ID number that was previously assigned to this issue. Click the OK button in the bottom right side of the pop-up window. Click the Home button on the upper left side of the screen to return to the home page. From there, on the right side of the page, you can select whether you would like to view your open issues or requests or closed issues and requests via the 3 links located under the Track My Issues and Requests header. This concludes the video on how to update issues and requests in the IT Help portal. If you cannot log in to the IT Help portal, or if you experience any other technical problems, please contact the Technology Support Center. You can give them a call at 309-438-4357 or email them at supportcenter@illinoisstate.edu.